How to pair your Beltone hearing aids to an Apple device. Insert a fresh battery into your hearing aids. Keep the battery door open so the hearing aid cannot power up. If your hearing aid is rechargeable, then place it in the charging case and make sure that it is at least 20% charged. You will need to go through 3 steps: how to turn on Bluetooth, how to pair your hearing aids with your iPhone, how to pair your hearing aids with the app. 1. Turn on Bluetooth. Locate the settings icon on your iPhone and open Settings. Tap Bluetooth and tap the toggle switch to turn on Bluetooth. Then tap Settings. 2. Pairing your hearing aids with your iPhone. Tap Accessibility. Scroll down and tap Hearing Devices. Close the battery door to power up your hearing aids or remove your rechargeable hearing aids from the charging case so your Apple device can detect them. Tap on the name and model of your hearing aids when it appears on the screen. Wait at least 120 seconds for authentication to finish. When connected, your hearing aid name will be shown and the color of the name will change from black to blue. When pairing 2 hearing aids, you will receive separate pairing requests. Tap Pair to accept the request to use Bluetooth. If you have 2 hearing aids, you will need to accept twice. 3. Pairing your hearing aids with the app. Open the Beltone HearMax app and tap Get Started. Follow the instructions. Then accept the terms and conditions. Tap OK. The first time you open the app after pairing your Apple device, the app will confirm that it has found the hearing aids. Open and close the battery door on your hearing aids to reboot them. If you have rechargeable hearing aids, place them in the charging case and wait for the green LED to turn on. Then remove them from the charging case again. You have now paired to both your mobile device and the Beltone HearMax app.